So this is a very simple Python program to remove background from an image. Let's see. So this was the image that we gave to our program, and it removed the background and gave us just this butterfly. So here you can see the code here. First you will install the required libraries. First required library is rembg, which is basically short for remove bg. And here you can see, if you will write pip install rembg, so it will install that. We are using Google Colab here. In Google Colab we are connected with the Python runtime, and when you will do that, it will install rembg. Next you have to install one more library which was not given in any documentation, but we got this error, and this is onnx runtime. I will give the code. I will give this entire code to you guys so that you can also copy that. So after installing these two libraries, you have to import from rembg. You have to import remove, and from pil import image. So this PIL is simply Python imaging library or image library. We are importing image. Now the next thing, as you saw, I have this butterfly image. So I downloaded it from somewhere, from Pixabay. And next is, here is your file. So upload your JPG file here, and you can see it's 43 KB. So now copy the content or copy the path of this JPG file and create a variable called input path and save it here. Then as your output path, write some name. For example, we have written output.png, and that output path is basically this particular file. This is output.png. You can see here output.png. So you will give input and output. Write input image is equal to image dot open. So we are kind of now loading the image which is in our input path, and output path. So you remember we installed the remove class. So using this remove, we will give that input image now. So this input image will, take that URL, and as an image it will give it to the remove, and inside the remove when we will write that, so now our output image dot save. So it will remove the output, it will remove the background, and now you can save this as your output path, like whatever name is given. So it will save in the same folder. This way you can see it will start downloading some data from this onnx library, and once it is downloaded, it will give you this file, which is 117.38 KB, and this will help you in downloading or in removing your image background easily. Please subscribe to our channel for more short Python related tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.